Is it almost gone? You can just...
I ate a little piece of it.
You can just chunk it all if you want. Just turn the sack down.
Where?
Anywhere. Except on the... Don't put it on the patio, but... And then you want to show me where you pulled off all the stuff from Grandma's garden?
Huh?
Want to show me where you pulled off all the stuff in Grandma's garden? Hey, we got some okra.
Huh?
We got some okra.
I know, we were trying to pull that, but it's too hard.
It's sticky.
Here, just for a minute.
So what did you get those little round puffy looking things off of?
What puffy?
The one that you picked up and squeezed and then you threw it down.
The wet things?
No, it was... I don't know. Don't try it. That'll stick you. Nunny will get them.
Yeah, one time it hurt Ashton. Yes,
And so this one here, you got some off of too? I think it's going to make a few more. We should have watered it though, huh?
yeah, we got green ones though.